Hello friends, this is Cherry, and in this video I'll show you how to solve the Heapdump challenge from the picoCTF. This challenge teaches an important real-life vulnerability where a server exposes its memory heap dump, allowing attackers to extract sensitive information such as API keys or flags. Let's have a quick description of this challenge. Welcome to the challenge. In this challenge, you will explore a web application and find an endpoint that exposes a file containing a hidden flag. This application is a simple blog website where you can read articles about various topics, including an article about API documentation. Your goal is to explore the application and find the endpoint that generates the file holding the server's memory where a secret flag is heading. Additional details will be available after launching a challenge instance. Okay, let's have a look on the hints given here. Explore backend development with us. This suggests that we have to do something with the backend. The head was dumb. That means we have to look for something dumb or dump memory. Okay, let's hit the challenge instance button to start the challenge. The challenge is started. Let's go. Okay, this is the challenge web page. So I am clicking to these articles, but there is nothing. We are not going to anywhere. Let's have a look on the view page source for the endpoints. We can see that there are three endpoints here: about, services, and root. Except them, I'm not able to see any other endpoint here. Okay, let's go and try something else. I'm using the curl tool, -I, and websites just see the headers. Oh, here we find an interesting thing that X powered by Express. It means that this article is using Express.js as its backend. There is one thing that is very important. When application was running in development mode, developers sometimes leave debugging routes exposed. And these debugging routes are class debug, dump, heap dump, and API flash debug. So I'm going to try them manually. Let's see whether we find something or not. Nothing. With slash debug. Let's do the same thing. Do the same thing with dump. Control backspace to remove word. Control V. And with dump again we found nothing. And Heapdump. Same thing with Heapdump. Remove extra backslash and enter. So it is giving a file. Save it. Uh, I'm going to save it in the documents folder. Save it. And let's see what we have. Mm, oh, sorry. We have this file. Let's see what this file have. Oh, this file have a lot of things. Let's try to extract our flag. Rep command. Our flag contains pico. Hit enter. Again we find. Oh, it is not filtering anything. Okay, let's do one more thing. Let's open this file in nano. Nano heap. Oh, oh, we got the flag. Here is our flag. Copy it. Control Shift C. Then go to our challenge. Paste it. And here we go. We solved the challenge. Okay, what we learned in this challenge? We learned that by accessing the Heapdump endpoint and analyzing it, it can reveal API endpoints. Huh? This is the main vulnerabilities on which this particular series are focusing on. So like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. We will meet soon in another video with new challenge. Till then, bye bye.